Boundary Waters is a wonderful place, especially if you want to get your stuff together. I always came back with a better attitude than when I went in, because there's no outside interference. The only camaraderie you have is who's with you. That's why anyone goes on a trip, it's very important to take people that fit.
I'm going to give you an update. So it's cold. It's the end of September. Everybody knows it's going to be cold. Mike and I are having a good time. We don't really have any expectations. However, it's kind of rained every second since we've been here. And so assuming that no items are drying and about 50% of all items are getting wet every day, we are just getting more and more moist. And so it's about 50 degrees, so we're just getting more and more cold. If our sleeping bags get wet, Mike's gonna be done. Sleeping's been good. It's been warm in our kind of double sleeping bag, but we have a hole in our air mattress. Like I said, we're having fun. Food's good, drinks are good, we're having some good conversations, just kind of being in each other's company. What do you think, Mike? Burnt.
really become, you appreciate people more for what they, especially when you're in that company, and you really do, even though you may be an independent person, you do find out you got to depend on each other, just like life.
My trip was pretty good. I got pretty cold. I wanted to go home today. Mike said no. It was a beautiful day. Except I caught no fish. Mike caught 4 fish.
A lot of fish.
A lot is 4?
A lot is 4 for today.
Fine.